Hi everyone, I'm Amanda and we're doing another high heel review from Shoes of Hollywood. Today we have the beautiful Flair, which is a 4 to a 4.5 inch high heel. It's a black strappy heel with a little ankle bracelet. They come individually wrapped so they're not going to get scratched at all in transport or when they're getting delivered to you. So this is what one of the shoes look like. I'm trying on a size 7 today, which is my usual high heel size. So as you can see, it has a little platform at the front, which just makes them that little bit more comfortable and easy to walk in for longer periods of time. And then it has a really nice little velvet bit here, and then the shiny black at the front. So that's a 4 to 4.5 inch heel with a small platform at the front. And again, the other shoe is individually wrapped, really well packaged. So we'll take both those out, and I will mention that it does come with a gorgeous little travel bag which keeps the shoes really nice and scratch free while you're traveling, and it comes with a foam insert that you can put between the heels so they don't get ruined at all. And the ankle bracelet is adjustable so that you can fit them to any sort of size that your ankle and leg is. Again, this is the Flair heel in black strappy. And I'm trying on a 7 today, guys. We will be doing a bit of a longer walk today because I do read your comments. I have seen that people wanted me to walk more in the heels. And this bit here is adjustable, so you can slide that to make sure it is perfectly straight. And there you have it, they're both on my feet now. Just going to close up the box so nothing blows away. So this is the Flair 4 to 4.5 inch heel. I'm going to take them for a walk up the stairs so you guys can see what they look like, and make sure if you're ever walking in heels, hold on to the railing. These are really easy to walk in. The small platform at the front makes them super comfortable. And the strap around the ankle makes it very, very easy to walk in. These are just perfect shoes for going out. They match with nearly anything. A classic black strappy heel. Just really, really gorgeous. You can wear these out to a gala dinner, to the opera, out dancing for the night. It just really depends wherever you want to wear them. They're super versatile high heels. So let's go for a bit of a longer walk down the concrete because it's beautiful and nice and flat. As you can see, they're very easy to walk in. I feel super comfortable. The straps aren't cutting in anywhere. Makes it very, very simple to walk in. And the 4 and 4.5 inch still make your legs look beautiful and long, but that platform at the front gives you that bit of extra comfort. And I can actually feel the bit of the velvet on the sole of the shoe, and it feels really nice on your feet. Okay, let's walk back, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're liking these shoes, what you would wear them with, how you would style them, if you're liking them. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and the bell at the top so that you never miss a video from Shoes of Hollywood and you get to see whenever we have a new video in. Now we're just going to take the heels off. And the ankle strap is really easy to undo. It just slips off your feet, very simple. And there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. I'm Amanda and we'll see you in the next video.